we have seen how to create a cluster, how to create a tensor, and how to get indexes, or let's say access specific values from the tensor. Now we will see how to slicing, how the slicing tensor is working. So slicing is allowing you to extract sub-region, or let's say sub-tensors using range. So let's say you have an image, you read an image, and you would like to extract only a specific region from this image. So in this case, you would like this let's see called slicing. And the syntax is here: start, stop, and step. Start, where to start and where to stop, and this is a step. For instance, increasing, let's say I need the second value, so it will be, for instance, 0 till, for instance, 10, and this will be 2, and every time we will increase, let's say, 2. This is like a for loop, or a loop in general. So as you can see here, this, I have a tensor here, and it's already reshaped, but reshape we will see it in the next video. And let's see here, I have this tensor here, 0, 4 by 4. And let's see, sometimes you would like to slice a window to take only, you are interested only on a specific region of this matrix, let's see. And here you can see from 0 to 2, give me 0 and to 2, this one here. And from 1 to 3, from 1 to the column 3. And as you can see here, the slicing from 1 to 3, it will be 1, 2, and 5, 6. This one here. So you can see again from 0 to 2. From this is 0, 1, 2. This is the columns, and in the in the rows and the columns you are interesting in 1 and 3. So this is 1 and 3. As we said in the beginning, last time, this is not included in the result. So this is 0, 2, and give me the columns from 1 to 3. And the second one here, give me all the rows but the first 2 columns. And you can see here, this, for instance, all rows, it will be included 0, 4, 8, 12, 1, 5, 9, 13. Again, this one will not be included, 2. So you can see if it will be included, we have to add this here, 3. So now if you see here, will be the 3 will be included. But let's just remove it just to get the and here you can see slice every second element, and this one here, it will give you every second element. And if you see, starting with 0, and the second element will be 2, right? And it's this is the it's sliced with the step every second element. And for the 2, it will give you 0 and 1, of course, columns. Column 2 is not included, and it will be 2 and 10. And this is how to this is just only visualization, and this is, let's say, the original tensor 4 by 4. And if you see, I would like to slice from 0 to 2 and from 1 to 3. This is 0 and to 2. So I will just only the 2, from 0 and 0, 1, and 2, it's not included, 0, 1. And from 1 to 3, it will be 0, 1, 2. This only included. And if you see here, the slicing the whole rows, but till the second column, 0, 1. So it will include all of this slice. And if you see a slice every second element, it will be, for instance, 0. This one will be taken. the next element will not be taken, the second one will be taken, and the third one will not be taken, and it's completed. And the same as for the columns, this one will be taken and this will be taken, and etc. So this is how the slicing is working. Next time we will see how to use reshape. Sometimes you have a tensor, well, let's say a big tensor, and you would like to reshape it, make it another form of the tensor. If you have, let's say, 10 by 10, and you would like, sometimes you have make it 2 by 5. So it will be, I mean 4 by 5. It will be the same, but it's just arranging the elements. Okay, so we will see it next time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.